Testes. You and Adam and Evie. Just been out to see some more brickwork, 2 brick pillars. I should have took a photo of the pillars before I rang his doorbell. So they got steel inside it, just to hold up the front of his house. Well, somebody's already started it. One's that's about my chin on one side, and the other side's about up to my tit. And he wants it's Staffordshire Blues, and he just wants it finished off. But it's friggin' atrocious. The jointing, he's one of the sides, well, 2 of the sides on just the one. Didn't bother looking at the other one. No point. One was shit enough. He's cut it off. He hasn't even bloody rigged it. Like a bottom couple of courses, he's got his chariot out and he's got it all nice and flat. And then he must have just gone, can't be arsed doing this anymore. I'm not going to bother. So he wants me to finish it off, build on top of it, and then get the grinder out then and see if I can make the joints better from what he's already done. But bloody hell. Just come out of the game, just finish off doing what I've been doing for the last X amount of years and trying to get back into the bricklaying. Oh man, it's just so disheartening. This is what people start freaking self-harming. Because they got to go through shit like this. I really might have to stop answering my phone. Bollocks to it all. Bollocks to it all.